Good evening. How are you? Charvik? Hello, Charvik. Am I audible?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Sritej. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Charvik, I can't hear you. Okay. Sritej, did you attempt the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How was the test?
Ma'am, it's okay.
It was okay only, not easy.
Ma'am, it is easy.
Mm-hmm.
I just didn't remember about the guard cells. I made a mistake on that guard cells question, so I just guessed it and like clicked something else.
Okay. Fine, we will check out that. Siddhant? Siddhant? Are you there, Siddhant? We'll wait for another 5 minutes. Okay. Let the people join. Why? Why can't you unmute and talk, Siddhant? Okay, fine. Adrit Rao?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine. How was your test?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
How was your test? Sunday
Ma'am,
test.
it's okay.
It was okay, not easy.
Ma'am, it was easy.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay. Only 6 members, total 11 members to join. Everyone, open your video. This is online class. I don't know what you guys are doing on that side, right? I need to know. Siddhant and Charvik, only microphone is not working, right? Open your videos. Okay. I hope we can start the class. We'll wait for another 2 minutes because, we all of you are ready for the test. Do you guys remember that today we have a test?
Ma'am, but you did
Yes, ma'am.
portion, ma'am. You said you will give a portion what to learn, but you didn't share that.
No, I just told you whatever we learned till the last class, we'll have that.
Ma'am, I didn't hear that, ma'am.
Okay, it's fine. Whatever we learned till the last class, that's okay for you, right? You learned everything in the class only, right? Is everyone ready for the test?
Yes.
Now, follow the instruction very, very carefully. We will, I will put you the, can you all see something in the chat? Can you all see something in the chat? www.menti.com. Charvik, it's fine. Just try. Just give a try. Okay? This is just for your understanding. No need to prepare anything. If you guys would have really listened the class very well, this test would be a great for you. Just if you would have listened the class, it would be good. Okay? Did you all guys go to that
Ma'am,
Menti
it's showing enter code.
code? Enter the code. Yes, I'll tell you the code. That was the code. Have you all joined?
It's showing us already.
What?
It's showing us already.
Error. Error for everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
But we are code 81234091 could not be found. Please try again.
Charvik, you're not clear. Please, anyone else?
Ma'am, we are getting like code 81234091 could not be found. Please try again.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, same, ma'am.
Okay, wait. We will see about that. Try out this code. Try that. Did it work now?
Ma'am, it said welcome to our quiz.
Welcome to the quiz. Did it come?
Yes, ma'am.
To everyone, it came right. Okay. Okay, shall we start? Only 4 players are ready.
Sure, ma'am.
What about all the 6?
Ma'am, I didn't get the code.
Guys who joined lately, please go to menti.com. Those who joined lately,
Mom, I just entered my name.
okay. Yeah,
Ma'am?
enter your name.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
Yes. So go to this website www.menti.com and enter the code 43006141. Hamza,
Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
good evening. Good evening. Did you understand what to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do that. 5 players are ready. Yes, join soon, everyone. Hamza,
అర్థమైంది ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది
all ready? Only 5 people are there. Soon. No time. Soumya, did you enter? Everyone joined? Everyone joined. 8 participants are there. Only 6 people are there. More 2. Who's that 2? Who are those 2 people who have not joined yet? Soumya joined?
teacher, like more one needs to join.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
More one needs to join. Not two.
More
Yes,
one needs
ma'am,
to
more
join.
Because in these 8 participants, you are also as a member.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. More one need to join. Yes, who's that one? Who is that one member? Soumya, Siddhant, Hamza.
Ma'am, my Google is lagging.
What?
My browser is lagging.
Your browser is lagging.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's that talking now? Hamza.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can't join.
Ma'am,
I can join. It's just loading.
Loading. Okay, we'll
ma'am,
wait for a
for
couple
me,
of
it's saying
minutes.
that get ready to play and
Yes.
Siddhant and answer fast to get more points. That's all, ma'am. Nothing else. Same, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking. Yes, get ready. Yes. Okay, we will start the quiz. Hamza. Hamza, did you join? Shall we start the quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? 1.
I'm under the code.
For entering the code. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Ma'am, it's saying that you haven't, like it's saying you.
It's saying you haven't voted this question.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it just keep on loading and it's saying you haven't
Yes, ma'am.
voted this question. And then it's saying get ready to play again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Ma'am, it's
Now,
again and again.
It's not even the
okay,
same
okay,
thing.
okay. Now.
What is photosynthesis?
Ma'am, I got, ma'am.
Yes, start the quiz. Don't mute everyone. Don't talk. Okay.
Ma'am, only one question?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you will get it.
Ma'am, I am keep on clicking on the thumb.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice.
Ma'am, for me, it's saying that
Ma'am,
ma'am,
What?
some sometimes it's game reloading, sometimes what? No.
same.
Maybe because of your network issue.
Maybe, ma'am.
We'll start with the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Okay. Oh, Hamza came to the first. Okay, no, not Hamza. Yeah. Sritej again came first. Soumya, are you not answering?
Ma'am, I am, but there's an internet
Soumya,
connection.
are you not answering?
Yes, ma'am, I am, but the questions keep on going away all of this.
Questions going away.
On my screen because I have no internet. But
Dear, you have time for this question. So you have, I think I have given only 15 seconds to read each question. So before that, you have to answer, or else the question will go from your screen. Okay, now fifth question.
ma'am,
Everyone be ready.
Who is first right now?
Very good. What? Right now, yes. We'll see who is first. Sri Tej is leading. Okay, next question. Okay. Siddhant is giving the answers very fast. He's the fastest. Okay. Seventh question. Carbon dioxide. Nice. Eighth question. This I have not said you in the class, but I am expecting you guys to answer it rightly if you can. Everyone has voted. Okay, let's see. What, Soumya, you're in the last in the leaderboard, but you came first in the weekly test. But in the class test, you're coming last.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, ninth question. Hmm. Are you guys also getting the leaderboard?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Fine. I'll see the leaderboard. This final question. After this, winner will be announced. This is the final question. Answer very carefully. This determines who is the winner. Okay. Yes, this is a easy question. So yes, now I'll share the screen.
This question is very much difficult.
Hope you guys can share the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, see the screen, right? Now
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
come to the final leaderboard. We'll see who is the winner. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So yes, this is the leaderboard.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ritesh is the winner. Yes, Siddhant.
Ma'am, it's not me.
It's
ma'am,
it's Ritesh. Yes.
ma'am, this is Aishwarya.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, can you share me the link of the quiz?
Now you can't attempt the quiz, right? It's over.
Oh, okay.
See, Soumya named. That is only Aishwarya.
No, ma'am.
Aishwarya, did you attempt the quiz?
Oh, no, ma'am, I didn't. I joined late.
Okay, who is that Soumya then? Who is Soumya? Okay, Soumya, another participant. Okay. I forgot it. Okay, Aishwarya, you have not participated in the quiz itself.
Oh, yes, ma'am, I joined late.
It's okay, but I'm telling you guys, always join the class 5 minutes before because last class I've told you everyone, right? So we have quiz today, so you should all join before time, 5 minutes.
Ma'am, do you have other quizzes also?
What?
Do you have other quizzes?
Yes, yeah, that one you guys should tell me like whether you all like this quiz, this kind of quiz.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can you give another quiz?
We will have every three, like after 3 to 4 classes, we will have a quiz. And at the end of the chapter, we'll have another quiz that contains 20 questions. Okay, this is a mini quiz, contains only 10 questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, did you all where did you guys made mistake? Have you seen that? Like, if you see, Bojo wants to know how water and minerals absorbed by the roots reach the leaves. Only 5 people told through stem, and 2 people told through roots. Who's that two? Who are those 2 people?
Ma'am,
Who?
ma'am, Soumya.
Why? See, why did you give the root as answer? Hello, Soumya. Soumya, guys, can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, I asked you why did you give roots? Okay, who is that another one who gave roots? See, this one we discussed in the last class. The same thing I have told you. The roots are the one who is going to observe the things, but how they are reaching the other parts of plant is through stem, right? Stem does the work. Okay,
Now I
leave
have
it.
this question in my question.
Shavik, you gave the root. You gave the answer as root.
Um, uh, no, I gave it a stem.
Stem only. So one more guy, I don't know who's that. Okay, leave it. So see
Now I
this.
have it. Now I have this question in my
Why
book.
can't our bodies make food from carbon dioxide, water, and minerals like plants do? Because lack of specialized cellular machineries for photosynthesis, inability to absorb minerals. So why here inability to absorb minerals effectively is wrong answer. Who told you that human beings don't have the ability to absorb the minerals effectively? Who told you? See, we are taking in the food. We are also multicellular beings, and we have cell. We have some specialized mechanism. When you read more about biology, about human body, we do have special things to absorb minerals. We are eating. The food is going into the stomach. It is getting digested there, and our stomach has some certain things, right, to absorb the minerals. Digestion process is nothing but absorption of minerals, right, from the food. What is the definition of digestion? Digestion is nothing but absorbing the minerals and other components from the food. Human beings have the ability to absorb the minerals effectively, but we don't have specialized machinery called specialized machineries that helps us to do the photosynthesis, right? I don't know who are those two people who gave inability to absorb minerals effectively. Who are those two?
Mom, I by mistakenly clicked them.
By mistake you clicked. See, that is why I create this quiz. By mistake should not. And the thinking, like I gave, I think 15 seconds only to think. So this quiz is more about how fast you can answer and how fast you're grasping the meaning of the question. So that is more important. What is the purpose of guard cells in the stomata of the plant? So I have not taken this in the classroom. What is the purpose of guard cells in the stomata? So we have seen something called guard cells that are surrounded in the, they are very, very important in regulating the closing and opening of stomata. This is very, very important 1 mark question. So 6 of you has answered rightly. It means that you all have read the book. It's good. So one has written prevent water loss. I don't know who's that. I think I cannot see or what. Who wrote that question wrong? So the important function of guard cells is to regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Remember, the stomata will not be always open. Okay. So whenever they need the for photosynthesis process, whenever they need the required things, stomata will open and close. And during transpiration also, they have important role in opening and closing of stomata. So these are carried, like they can carried by guard cells. Remember that. So this question, 2 of them again has given the wrong answer. In addition to water and minerals, what else do plants absorb through their roots? Oh, carbon dioxide. Why carbon dioxide? We have discussed about this in the last class. With the help of specialized bacteria, the atmospheric nitrogen is being absorbed by the roots of the, by is getting absorbed, getting sedimented in the soil, and then after getting into soil, the nitrogen is being absorbed by the plants with the help of roots. With the help of nitrogenous bacteria, I even gave you the name of the bacteria. Nitrogenous bacteria helps in absorbing the nitrogen from the roots. They convert the atmospheric nitrogen into edible nitrogen that plant can take in. Nitrogen is present in the atmosphere, and they are converting the nitrogenous bacteria, converting the nitrogen present in the atmosphere into like they absorb that into the soil. They do that process, and then plants are taking in the nitrogen. So how carbon dioxide comes here? What is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is not through their roots. It's from the directly, it's taken from the leaves, right? From the atmosphere taken by the leaves. These things you should not get confused. Yes, this even this also people do mistake. What is the role of chlorophyll in the photosynthesis? Absorb sunlight. Absorb carbon dioxide. What is this absorb carbon dioxide? See, here is where you guys get confused. Its main purpose of chlorophyll is to absorb sunlight, right?
Ma'am, to observe carbon dioxide, we have stomata in our leaves.
Yeah, yeah. Stomata helps in that. So how you can get confused in this? I don't know. It means you're not clear with the concepts. Who are those two gave the wrong answer? Who are those two gave the wrong answer? You guys won't tell. Who's that? Won't accept. Ma'am, I only gave the wrong answer. Won't accept, huh? Okay. Whoever it is, no problem. But understand. Go again. See, till now, whatever we have covered is not even the half of your portion. Do you all know that? Not even half of the portion. We only 1/3 we have covered. And in even the 1/3 people are giving wrong answers. It means basics are not clear. See, this one everyone gave right answer. Nice. Before question. That and completely on homework, right? You people have not, except 2 people, all others have not done the homework. I told you in the last class very clearly, go through this slide after this class. Sit at your home and go through the slide of xylem and phloem. Difference between them. I told you to go to the very first difference, and you all gave wrong answers. Even gave 2 people have given right. To transport water. And people who have given food or protein is also fine. Who have given transporting carbon dioxide? Who are those 2 people who gave transporting carbon dioxide? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Who are those 2 gave transporting carbon dioxide? How can is plant transporting carbon dioxide? Or it is taking from the atmosphere directly? It is transporting somewhere from somewhere? How come this option will be the right answer? Who gave this option? No, you guys won't accept. I know. But whoever it is, please go. See, it means you are not
Ma'am, your
listening
voice
the
is
class or you're
breaking.
not good with the con. Some problem is with me. Some problem is with me. Can you hear me now clearly?
Ma'am, now
Hello? Can you hear me now?
yes, ma'am.
Is
Now
it fine
Ma'am,
now?
I have a doubt actually.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in that just now I was seeing my results. So, like, what will like in the question had given that which of the following is not a requirement for photosynthesis? When I clicked chlorophyll in the, isn't it chlorophyll?
Which the quiz that we wrote now. You're talking about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which right.
And photosynthesis is needed because it captures sunlight.
Yeah. So this is oxygen. Chlorophyll is not the oxygen is a requirement of the plant. Chlorophyll is something the plant already have with them. Oxygen, sorry, what is the question? Which of the following is not the requirement for photosynthesis? Of course, oxygen, right? Carbon dioxide is needed by them. Oxygen is required by human beings to breathe. For plants, it's carbon dioxide, not oxygen, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but there it
Why,
showed
where did
correct
you get
answer.
confused there?
Ma'am, I was confused also, and when I clicked on
No,
chlorophyll, it said, "Let's see your results," and it told it's correct.
no, the correct answer is oxygen. Why? Because the question is not a requirement. Light is a requirement, carbon dioxide is a requirement, chlorophyll is a requirement. Something the plant already have it. So which is not a requirement for photosynthesis is oxygen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Fine. So where does the photosynthesis primarily occur in the plant cell? That is chloroplast. This one, 2 members gave wrong answer. 1 member gave cell wall. Cell wall. What is this cell wall? I don't know who's that. 1 member gave cell wall. Nucleus. 2 people has given nucleus. Chloroplast. Chloroplast is the right answer. I think I have not covered this in the class, right? Where does the photosynthesis primarily occur? It will occur in the chloroplast, right? Exchanging gas. Yeah, this is right. Yeah, this is okay. Fine. It's fine. I'll share the screen now. Wait a minute. And in the test, I don't know. Everyone has given wrong answer in for one question. I don't know what's wrong in that question. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this one question, every one of you has given wrong answer. I don't know. Everyone has given wrong answer. Select one option from below which is considered as one of the nutrients for the plants: carbohydrate, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor. How come it is carbon dioxide here? Is carbon dioxide a nutrient or it is a gas? Tell me.
Ma'am, it's a gas.
And then what is the question? Select one option from below which is considered as the gas required for plants or nutrient required for plants.
Ma'am, nutrient required from plants.
Nutrients means what is a nutrient? Only nutrient present in this option is carbohydrate, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So why everyone has given carbon dioxide? Everyone has given wrong answer for this. I want you guys to tell me why you have given wrong answer. Why you have all given carbon dioxide? What made you to think like that? Why you got confused? Tell me. Is everyone hearing me?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I thought in a way like plants use carbon dioxide to like they consume it for itself to perform photosynthesis, like how we consume nutrients like carbohydrates. So I thought like plants produce like nutrients like carbohydrates in the form of glucose and stuff. They do not. It's like not considered. So that's why it's like carbon dioxide.
Yeah, ma'am.
See, one
Same.
question I will ask. One question I will ask. In the first class, I asked you, what are the nutrients required for human body? You all told vitamins, minerals, right? Is anyone told oxygen? Can I tell oxygen is a nutrient for human beings? When I ask you what are the nutrients required for human beings, you all told vitamin, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, right? But did anyone tell oxygen?
No, ma'am.
No.
The same questions with except human beings, I gave plants here. So then why carbon dioxide is coming? Carbon dioxide is a gas that is not a nutrient. Nutrients is something after the photosynthesis, after absorption of the food by the plants, something that is produced by the plants called nutrients. It's a food. Food. From food, they are getting nutrients. What are the nutrients they get from the food? Carbohydrate. Right. Did you all got way like where did you guys do the mistake? Can you understand now better at least?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Or still you are not understanding what I'm trying to tell?
Mama, I understood.
Understood? Everyone
Yes.
understood what I am trying to tell? Carbon
Yes.
dioxide is the gas. Yes, I am accepting that carbon dioxide is very, very important for photosynthesis. But it is not a nutrient. It is important for photosynthesis. They are required for photosynthesis by the plants, but they are not nutrients. Nutrients are something that are plants producing. But this carbon dioxide is not something that plant is producing. It is getting from the atmosphere. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood now? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope that is why I conducted the extra quiz also. So it's fine, good. Extra quiz has given you some clear idea, I guess, right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the quiz useful?